Today I'm going to talk about HSN, PC Magazine, Verizon, and how to save money online and in person when you want to go purchase technology. Okay, first one I'm going to talk about is how to save money. Best time to buy technology. Buy it in March and April. That's when new technology come out. Old technology go on discount. And also you got November and Cyber Monday after Black Friday. The best time to renew your internet is usually September and February. And Verizon usually has the best deals and the best Wi-Fi and capabilities for Fios. Best time to buy antivirus security software is August, September. That's when back to school sale starts. For best antivirus, you should check PC Magazine. They have on antivirus software, laptops, computer, tablets, all types of technology, even smartwatches. The best antivirus are Trend Micro and Kaspersky. Trend Micro is based in the US. Kaspersky is based in Russia, but it's banned in the US. They're the best security system, but they said they spy on you or hack. So Trend Micro is the next best one. The best time to buy a cell phone are Mother's Day, March, April, and fall time. The cell phones I bought before, Virgin Mobile and Tracfone. Virgin Mobile has, if you buy the simple flip phone, which is good for seniors, $20 for 3 months, and that's equivalent to $80 a year. I don't know if they still offer the program. You'll have to check. Usually they offer it in, they usually sell at Walmart, so check Walmart. For Tracfone, they have any kind of cell phone. You got Samsung, LG, Motorola, and so forth. Okay, on HSN, you just type in Tracfone. You can create an account with them, or you can check out as a guest, but it's better to create an account. It's better in the long term because the deals on Tracfone for cell phones are always good. Okay, there's one called Blue. I think it's a Chinese brand. LG, Motorola, Samsung, and TCL. The exclusive deals right now is the Memorial Day. Memorial Day, they usually increase some of them, not all of them. Samsung Galaxy A10e 5.83, 32 gigabyte, $100. You get 1500 minutes, text, and data. That is really good. But for the data, they count by gigabytes, so it'll be about 15 gigabytes. Right now, their phones are cheapest one you can guys maybe want to buy is like if you're not like need a big phone, you want a big phone 5.7, it's good enough. Or you want bigger 5.83, just pay a little bit more. Each one has different features. They even have flip phones for seniors. When you go inside, you can also check like what color design they have, like black, marble, blue, white, India design, and so forth. And it also tell you what they have for as the features. So comes with a battery, AC adapter, micro USB, quick start guide, activation card, service guide, welcome letter, 1 year manufacturing. Comes with a case, car charger, a power bank, 1500 MB. That's how they, when they convert to gigabytes, it'll be like about 4 or 5 gigabytes, which is a lot. And there's taxes and fees when you order. They have a 911 fee, which is added in, was like $1 or $2 based on the Federal Communication Commission. They charge you for that. So usually your total can go into, let's say, $99 plus sale tax with your state, plus the 911 fee comes up to about 115. And you can also do 2 payments, 3 payments, or apply for the credit card, which you get 4 more payments. You can buy protection plans if needed. Easy contact them. Call them by phone or web chat. Okay, let's talk about PC Magazine. See, you can look for reviews, best products, how to block robocalls, a lot of tips on how to do stuff. So you can sign up for the newsletter and you can contact the company since it's been 1996 to 2020, so it's about 20 something years. You can contact them. They're in New York, mailing address, email, and by mail. They don't do anything by phone. Okay, let's do a review. You can review cars as well, speakers, network attached storage, drones, headphones, laptop. Let's do cars. So the best car, like a Toyota Prius Prime Limited, they have a review, tell you what the pros and cons are, types of specs on it, feature, pricing, design, and it has a lot of advertising. They also sell masks. Bitdefender is a little bit newer technology, but they have good tech, good security software. They have for regular customers and businesses as well. So Verizon, to find the best deal, you'll have to do, okay, in home. Okay, see internet plans for internet. Right now, it's May, so they have a good deal. $39.99. And plus bonus Disney on them for 12 months. Check availability. It mostly depends on your area. You enter your zip code. Uh, I already been Verizon customer for over 10 years, so they have fast speeds and quickly solve any problem. But the wait time is usually just takes a while. And then to check availability and wait. So you want to set up a new service, you're moving out. This is a basic check. Don't need require information, just maybe address and zip code. While it loads, let's see. And they also find the promotion. Okay, it's 100 MBS. That's what the 39.99. Email, browsing, email, download. So two at the same price, 100 or the 200. And then next you choose, yeah, they have a pop-up ad. As for security, you want a router, you can buy full. You want rental, it's about 15 bucks. Use your own router is free. Home router, ooh, $300. They jacked up a lot from 100 bucks from last year. 149 from last year. That's a $150 increase. It's up to you. You don't have to add protection. It's optional. TV, phone, you don't need to. Silk router. Okay, you select this one. $15. Then hit check out. Estimate the bill and taxes. First, they want your contact information, billing address. They credit check you. Next is installation, schedule appointment, terms of service, then place the order. Uh, this right now it should be for $54.99. But because if you're already a Verizon customer, you'll first have to. It's better to call them by phone, and they'll tell you details step by step. If you want it to get mailed by like a paper bill, they'll charge you an additional like $5-10. If not, you can do it through your bank, like a charge on a debit card, and it automatic withdraw from your bank every single month. You choose the date. They give you the date between the first of the month to the 14th day of the month, but they bill you on the 19th of the month. So if you bill on the 19th of the month and you chose the 14th day to pay, it'll take out money on the 14th day. It'll take about 2 to 3 day process to take from your bank. Just show like on your app set from your mobile bank. Let's say City app. They say, okay, we withdraw $45. That's $39.99 plus tax and the routing fee, which I think they added in here, so it's $54.99. They haven't added the tax yet. If they add the tax, it would have been close to about 60 something. Okay. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification for my upcoming videos. And I'll be posting some links, which I described today, plus some products that may be helpful for if you want to buy technology. There'll be like some books. Okay. Hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.